Hello guys, do you want to find draft posts on Facebook in 2024 and you don't know how to do that? Then don't you worry because you're on the right place. In this video, I am going to tell you the exact way how to find draft posts on Facebook in 2024. So before we start, my name is Stark and you're watching the Starkness Guide YouTube channel on which I upload the tutorials and tricks for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just simply hit the subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. So let's dive into it. First of all, just simply open up your Facebook app, and in order to open your previous draft post, just simply what you all have to do is just create a random post. Just simply here you can write hello, hi, or whatever. Now just simply save it as a draft. Just tap back and tap it save as draft. Here you can see we have get a notification. Just simply scroll down and tap at that notification. By tapping on that notification, you will get a list of all of your draft posts in previous 3 days. Just remember, draft posts get expire in the 3 days. Within the 3 days, you can edit or publish it. After the 3 days, you will not able to access that specific post which you have saved as a draft. So in order to open your draft post, just simply search in the list which you want to open and tap on it just like that and edit it and then post it how you want. So that's how you can easily find a draft post on your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy. You can see that. So I hope it helped you guys. And if you have any question, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys. And do not forget to check the latest video on end screen. Goodbye till the next video.